Hello folks, and welcome back to another video. Today in the Vice we've got a Corbin half cylinder that was sent to me by Gordon W. Locke Sport, which you'll see me unpackaging in my first upload to YouTube. So I've not had this lock open yet, but let's give it a shot and see if we can't crack it. Now picking all the way to the back. Oh, bloody hell, that was quick. There we go. The Corbin has opened to the Sparrow's Tron. I think that's the Tron, because I'm sure the Matador's got more of a longer reach to it. I'm quite surprised at that. So let's get a pinning tray. We'll take this out of the vise. Okay, let me just set this camera up to a better angle without feeling this time. Okay, so put that like that. That should be good. Right then, move that vise out of the way. Tweezers, follower, shim remover, circlip remover, and we'll just take it down there, like that. I should have brought my pliers through with me, I think. I'll learn one day, I'm sure. There we go. Okay. So right around a lot. To about there. Forward. There we go. So I just dump these out and then I'll let you have a look at them. Yeah, 5-pin. Just sort these into order. Now what you'll notice is really funny is I've numbered 1 to 7 along these the bits where the pin sits, but I've used it as 7 as slot 1. Now let me see, there's nothing been done to that core. And we'll start dissecting this. So I have a standard pin there. Spool and master wafer. Number 3 is again a spool and a master wafer. 5 just about shot me in the eye. But he is, or sorry, 4 just about shot me in the eye. He is another spool with no master wafer. And pin number 5 is a standard with again a master wafer, and all the springs in there are all just standard springs. So let's have a closer look. That's what we've had. 3 spools, 2 standard pins, 1, 2, 3, 4 master wafers. So that would have made it a bit easier to pick, I suppose, or so I've heard anyway, that cores with master wafers is a bit easier to pick. All steel key pins, looks like. So there you go, folks. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. See you later.